Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video, I show you my recipe for Come To Me spell oil to attract love and attention. I dress a spell candle with the oil and do a love drawing spell at the end. Let's do some magical crafting. I'd like to thank Exquisite Candles for sponsoring this video. I'll be using exquisite spell candles for the Come To Me spell after we make the oil recipe, and there's a link to these spell candles below. I'll be using the red candles from this box of 48 chime-size spell candles. The color red is used in love magic, seduction spells, and magical workings for self-love as well. Come To Me oil can be used in any spell for attraction and is one of the most popular recipes I've shared in the past. Come To Me oil is commonly used in hoodoo, conjure, and folk magic traditions for attraction, drawing love, and friendship. The first herb I'm adding into the master jar are dried jasmine flowers. Jasmine is used to attract a romantic partner to you. Ruled by the moon, jasmine's sweet fragrance is believed to attract a pure love and enhance sensuality. Next, I'm adding rose petals. Roses are a classic symbol of love and are commonly used in love spells, rituals, and as offerings to love deities. Red roses are associated with true love, pink for love and gratitude, and yellow for friendship and happiness. The third ingredient is hibiscus flower petals. Hibiscus is considered an aphrodisiac throughout the world, and hibiscus flowers are often used in love spells to attract a romantic partner or to make a current relationship stronger. Catnip is a powerful plant to draw things to you. It's used in love magic, usually in conjunction with rose petals. Grown near the home or hung over the door, catnip attracts good spirits and great luck. Catnip is also used in spells designed to enhance beauty and happiness. Next, I'm adding ground ginger. This is a spicy plant that is often used to speed up your magical work. In love magic, ginger acts to increase passion and sexuality. Use ginger to attract a romantic partner or to spice up a current relationship. The next ingredient is orris root. This plant is a powerful aphrodisiac used in magic for attraction and control. Orris root is often used to attract a romantic partner, as well as to strengthen the bond between two people. I'm adding 2 essential oils to the master bottle. The first one is ginger, to add even more spice and speed to the magical oil. Come To Me oils are typically composed of sweet or musky scents such as rose, gardenia, jasmine, honeysuckle, or patchouli to provide a sensual and attractive energy. I'm adding gardenia essential oil. Gardenia is often used in love magic for its sweet fragrance and its association with purity, love, and secrets. Gardenia attracts love when worn as a perfume or used in love spells. The base oil for my spell oil is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is associated with the planet Mercury and the element of air. Due to its association with Mercury, the god of speed and communication, almond oil is known for its quick effects. The magical properties of sweet almond oil include prosperity, wisdom, and attraction. I have found that sweet almond oil is a good oil to use in spell oils to attract the things that you want. I'm adding vegetable glycerin to act as a preservative. Glycerin is used in products to help prevent the growth of bacteria, mold, fungi, and other microorganisms. Doing so helps to ensure a long and stable shelf life. I'm also adding some vitamin E oil to extend the life of the spell oil. Vitamin E oil helps extend shelf life of oils by preventing rancidity. Both vitamin E oil and jojoba oil will work for this purpose. Either one is a good choice when making spell oils at home. I've created a printable Book of Shadows page for this recipe. If you'd like to download it, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. This Book of Shadows page will also be available as a digital file in my Etsy shop. Once you've added all of your ingredients, seal the master bottle and allow the mixture to steep for 4 weeks or more. Once my oil has infused with all of the herbal essences, I use a pipette to fill smaller bottles that I offer on my Etsy shop. I will leave a link to this oil below the video. There are various ways to use Come To Me oil. Use this oil to anoint or dress spell candles for love drawing spells. Add it to your bath water for a magical ritual bath. It may be directly applied to the skin as long as you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Wear this oil to attract attention from others, or use the Come To Me oil to anoint an altar or magical tools used in any attraction ritual or spell work. I'm burning a combination of frankincense, hibiscus, and rose petals as I prepare my space for my spell work. I begin with the red spell candle and carve my name and the name of the person or intention that I wish to attract with my spell. I also carve my intentions on the candle. As I carve the words, I visualize the outcome of the spell. Next, I use the oil to anoint my spell candle. The intentions of this Come To Me spell is to bring love into my life, both self-love and acceptance, and romantic love as well. I'm also including a sigil I created with the intention of bringing love into my life. I place it under the candle and place 2 heart charms by the candle as well. I'm surrounding my candle with several items to add the energy I desire, beginning with a love salt blend that I created with pink Himalayan salt and other ingredients. I'll leave a link to the recipe for that magical mixture below. Next, I'm surrounding my candle with rosebuds and jasmine flowers. I'm bringing in the energy of rose quartz to draw love. I'm also adding some hibiscus flowers to promote love. Then I visualize my intention and light the spell candle. As you do your own Come To Me spell, visualize your intention as the candle burns. If your traditions call for it, You may wish to bless your candle, chant or speak words while it burns, invoke a deity, or pray over it, or recite the 111th Psalm. May you attract that which you desire, and may love and blessings come to you easily.